The Boآؤ Forum for Asia's annual conference is underway from Tuesday to Friday in Boآؤ, a coastal town in China's island province of Hainan. A Malaysian expert said that BFA provides participants an opportunity to put heads together to work on inclusive development and share experience in tackling socio-economic and geopolitical challenges.
Among the various sub-themes of this year's forum, I find to my interest, for example, the one about development and inclusiveness. And I think that is a problem which has been plaguing a lot of developing countries. Sometimes as we develop, sometimes quite spectacularly, we would leave some of our fellow citizens behind. So how to ensure that the fruits of development, for example, are enjoyed by most sectors of the society, most strata of society, I think that remains a major challenge. This year is indeed a very uncertain and turbulent year. And as we look forward, I think there will be more geopolitical disturbances as well as economic uncertainties. So I think the participants in this Boآؤ Forum for Asia would very much like to put their heads together to see whether there are some lessons to be learned, whether there are some experience to be shared in terms of tackling some of these socio-economic as well as geopolitical challenges and struggles. China has been bending backwards over the last decade to provide, shall we say, the guiding light for inclusive development in the region. For example, the rolling out of the Belt and Road Initiative, the Asian Infrastructure Development Bank, as well as various other measures. I think they have, in a sense, benefited the region a lot. 10 years ago, a large part of this region, for example, are not connected by rails and various other means of transport. But with China's guidance and with China's tremendous investments over the last decade, I think a large part of this part of the world has been well connected.